Hello friends, come play with me at my chair yoga playground for fun, playful moves to make you feel wonderful, more flexible, lighter, and smiling. Let's get right into our slide. We're in that wonderful, fun playground just for us that we're making just for us. And you know when you slide, just slide. Then you burn the back of your legs wearing short on the metal slide in the summer. You get stuck halfway. Yes, if you're my age, you know what I'm talking about. So let's do the movement small at first. Inhale and slide, push. Inhale, climb up the ladder and slide. Climb up the ladder and slide. You can do it with just one hand. Climb up the ladder and slide. Slide, push. There's like a little push when you're coming off the slide. Now you can stay just like that, or you can inhale all the way up and exhale and slide. Nice inhale up, you're climbing up the ladder and exhale, whoop, off the slide. Inhale, climb up the ladder. Climb up, climb, 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 climb. Take your time, just get there eventually. Ready? Slide, we got stuck halfway. I told you. Keep going. Yeah, I'm silly like that. All the way up. Shh, all my friends gets me. So that's what's important, right? Your friend gets you. Exhale. Wow. Well, we got that down. I like swing set about you, and I'm coming a little bit more on the edge, and we're gonna pretend we're sitting on a swing set, and this is how I teach the kids too. It's like push the rope away from you. Of course, it's more like your body's backing as you're pushing. And come back. So push. Inhale, pull. So grab the sides, whatever they're ropes, chains, whatever you're using here at your playground. And let's first push. So I'm rounding my back here, almost like when you do the cats and cow and you do the cat, push. And then you're holding to those ropes here, and then you're gonna pull. And as you pull in, your belly button's coming forward. So push and come back. So let's have fun with this. Of course, you can add the legs too. I always make them use their legs last because it's like, okay, I've got to think of this, and when do I put my legs up? So you put your legs up as you're pushing, and when you pull, your legs go back. It's like, she's teaching me how to use a swing. No, I'm teaching you how to do it without a swing. Yeah, because it's fun, why not? Round. Want to add the breath to that? And I'm making tight fists here to just engage my muscle more, but you can keep that a little more relaxed. So this is, we're gonna do it like reverse than we do with cats and cow. We're gonna inhale. And then we're gonna exhale. Inhale, exhale. And if you're doing it the other way around, because that's what's familiar, that's cool, that's cool. Just don't hold your breath. That's your only no-no. Yeah. You can skip the arm here. If your shoulders are getting too sensitive, just do your feet. Oh la la. Oh, I know you're telling me to go fly the kite, and that's what I'm gonna do, but with you. Okay, let's grab our kite here. Let's grab our kite. Give it a little room, and your kite may be like flying like sideways right now, and that's cool. Maybe it wants to go a little higher now. See the little rotation here? The upper body in the middle of your back. There's this little rotation. Gentle. We're not like grabbing the swing ropes here. This is a nice gentle string. Ooh, this side. Oh, make sure this has a small rotation. It's not much, but you can feel it. Nice little rotation. It feels just perfect for what we're doing. My kite's going up. Yeah, my kite's going a little higher. Now it's going this way, that way. Flying our kite here. Straight up. Oh, we want to give it a little more string. Maybe you're just giving it string from here, and that's cool. You're still doing it, right? You're still extending that poor baby up there. Maybe your movement's a little bigger. You want it to really go up. It's up to you. It's your kite, your body, your yoga. Well, that was fun. Have you ever played Birdy Tag? You flap your arms like wings. And you know, if this is easier for you, just like that in the front, if you can bring your arms to the side and flap, we're moving two things here and the shoulders. If it's too much, just do the upper arm or just the lower arm or the entire thing. So Birdy Tag. So we're flapping. We're flapping. Tag, got ya. Tag, I got you too. Here, Jane, I got you. Here, I got John right there. Told you I'd get you. Here, just tag Linda over here. Just tag Jason over there. Tag. Tag, tag, tag. Now let's bring them upper. You don't have to, you can stay down. We're just gonna tag to the side. Think about everybody, you know, keep it lower. Maybe it's just a little bit like this. Whatever it is, you're moving more than you were before you started this video. It's nice, and if not, well, you're continuing the motion. That is great. Hopscotch toe. So let's just tap forward with like a little ballerina. Tap, tap. You can use your whole foot too. You can tap with your toe forward. Now just bring the entire foot. You can add the arms. We don't dance like that when hopscotch. We didn't do that where I came from, but that's the one you 1, 2, 1, 2. You're on one square and then you got two square, one square, two square, one square, two square. One leg. Hopscotch on one leg. Oh, am I confusing you yet? That's like a lot of core motion. Just ad lib here. Play your own game of hopscotch. You're gonna feel that right here. Upper legs right there. Fantastic. Ooh! Let's move to the wave catcher, and we're gonna catch a few. You can sweep or you can just flick your hands. So it's your choice. You can just flick, catch your wave like that. Catch your wave, and we can come up. Oh, here we try to keep both sit bones. Maybe you're down there, yeah, I know. Yeah, both sit bones on the chair. So you don't have like one bum because you want to get like real far, because it's not really adding anything. You may end up falling off the chair. We don't want that. We use sturdy chair. We don't want to wobble them too much. And let's rest those shoulders. Great upper body today with a little bit of legs here. Gonna go run in the play yard. recess time. Get out the arms. I'm coming. We're gonna do Pebble Toss by the pond. The pond's over there. Oh, sorry, it's over there. Oh no, I was right. Well, little energy, exhale. Now let's slow this down. That little burst here. Just throw a little pebble toss. So pick your pebble toss. Maybe you're flicking them sideways. With them up on the water. And you want to just pitch one. So let's pitch some. Make a big poof. 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 Tap, 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 tap. Tap, 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 tap. Fluff, 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 fluff. Fluff, 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 fluff. Boom. Poof, fluff. Poof. Sound effects are optional, but they are bonus points. Well, that was fun. Nice star stretch here. Bring the knees apart, maybe back a little bit in your chair. Your back can be touching the chair back if you wish. We're going in star. I'm just digging my heel in the ground. Nice big stretch. Maybe your star wants to be like that. They're all shaped different. It's just like snowflakes, right? Wiggle the finger and wiggle the toes. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle fingers, wiggle the toes. No matter where your star is, maybe you're a flying star, moving star. Make a wish, make a wish, make a wish, make a wish. We're repeating everything. We're not going to spend as much time with all. So use the version that works for you. Maybe you can mix and match depending how your energy is right now. Let's climb up the ladder and let's climb up the ladder and yes, my hand's a little different than last time and that's okay. You can mix that around. Climb up, down, run. Wait in line, climb up the ladder. Got stuck in between the middle, like, you know, all that metal, old-fashioned swing. Climb up. That swing. Old-fashioned slide. Shoo. Wow. That was fun, right? Let's get on our swing now. Push away. You can inhale or exhale where you want. If it's easier for you to do it like the cats and cow, exhale. Inhale, that's great. I'm scooting a little bit to the edge of my chair to make more room for when I round my back. Inhale forward, belly forward. Exhale, belly back. Inhale, belly button toward me. Exhale, spine towards the chair. Ooh, want to add the legs? I should like that. Yeah, like that, right? And two. No, it's like, yeah, and pull like that. Yeah, that's what it did. I had to close my eyes and pretend I was on the swing. This one I like. My arm's getting tired here, so I'm gonna hold it down. Or I'm just gonna do the little rock motion. Just do my leg, but what's coming next? You remember? The kite. Nice little twist here. Fun. I'm having fun. I hope you're having fun too. Yes, I'm corny. It's part of my charms. Birdy Tag. We're gonna birdie low because, you know, we are shoulder all over the place here, up and down. I'm gonna tag you to the side. And then you can even like tag like that if you want, or the traditional way. Tag. Tag Linda, tag Jason, tag Mary, tag Frank, tag everybody. Tag, tag, tag. Did I forget you? Write your name in the comment. I'll mention it next time. Oh, nice. Hopscotch though. So 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We can switch it around. It's almost like a dance class here. 1, 2, cha-cha-cha, cha-cha-cha. If you're doing the cha-cha instead of the hopscotch option, make sure you wiggle all that. Oh, let's move our toes, let's move our fingers. Oh, wave catcher. Oh. Oh, little wave catcher. Maybe rotating the wrist. Maybe gentle motion with the head all over the place. Anything that feels good. Yeah. Nice. Pebble Toss. You can flick them. So I'm flicking them with my wrist like that, my wrist like this. Flick. Maybe your whole arms involved. Plop, plop, plop. Bonus point. Plop, plop, plop. Plop, 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 plop. Bloop. 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 Oh, star stretch. Oh, maybe around your back a little bit here, lower back. Hold yourself. Oh, plant your feet. Right before we go on stars, this is necessary. We're gonna just like a little forward fold here. Neck is super relaxed. We're not done. We're just taking a little break here, pushing your feet, come back up. Let's get in our star. My star's gonna have my arms down right now. They were up quite a bit. Wiggle, wiggle toes, wiggle, wiggle arms. Maybe it's a moving star. All the way up, wiggle, wiggle. Exhale, and towards the chest if you want. Maybe your hands are down there. Whatever works for you. Let's just take a few breaths here. If possible, we'll breathe in and out of the nose. Maybe close your eyes. We're not changing our breath, we're just like observing. It's a little more fast than usual. Maybe place your hand on your heart. Feel your heart beat. It's gonna slow down a little bit. We are not getting off our chair right away. Let your body like just relax for a moment here. Besides, I'm not done talking to you. Wonderful job, friends. You just played, stretch, and move through my chair yoga playground, helping your body feel lighter, more flexible, and leaving your spirit smiling. A big thank you for sharing this time with me. It truly means so much. If you like having fun, my patrons get extra goodies and behind-the-scenes fun, and you can join through the link in the description. Thank you for your support and keeping this wonderful playground yoga community thriving. My name is Anne-Marie with That's Life Yoga, wishing you a wonderful rest of the day. Namaste.